Hey, I just got back from the MotoGP in Austin, Texas. I can't tell you how cool the Bag of World Cup was, but now it's time to rip the Smoky Mountain Softail apart and start getting on all this cool gold stuff from Ness, some Saddleman stuff, and a bunch of other really cool stuff. But first, we got to rip her apart. Here she goes. Yeah. So with our trusty Wear tool set, we have this bike pretty much ripped down to the frame, motor, and tranny. We're gonna be pulling these off to get them to powder coat. But man, we cannot thank Smoky Mountain Harley-Davidson enough. I mean, Saddleman, Arlen Ness, a bunch of other companies for coming together on this giveaway bike. It's for a great cause, prostate cancer. So stay tuned on how the bike's progress is and how you can win this thing.